This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Nora Rios. Don't miss the opportunity to snag up this beautiful move-in ready home. Located in the peaceful and established Montclair neighborhood of Clermont. Along with a private community boat ramp for residents with access to the chain of lakes. Your new home sits on an oversized lot, 0.26, with a spacious, fully fenced backyard and enclosed lanai. The split floor plan gives the added privacy with the master bedroom off of the dining area, vaulted ceilings in the living room and two separate living spaces. The master bedroom includes a walk-in closet and sliders to your enclosed lanai. Off the formal dining room, you will find the updated kitchen with a beautiful tile backsplash, granite counter topos, stainless steel appliances and a view of the backyard. The chef in the household will enjoy cooking while overlooking the dining and family room. Just beyond the family room are the two additional bedrooms and a secondary bath. The family area provides access to the screened lanai and huge backyard. Perfect home for entertaining inside or out. Enjoy the view of your outdoor living space on the screened lanai or make your way outside to take advantage of the large backyard. Short drive to the turnpike, I-4, shopping, dining and more. For more information, review the details below or contact Nora Rios at 407-274-1174.